Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Strawberries and watermelon have long been the perfect summer pair. In this light, vitamin-packed homemade cooler, I think they shine particularly bright. This is a perfect drink for iftar and to beat the heat. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So things I have for this refreshing drink is a watermelon cut into cubes, some fresh strawberries, then I'll be adding some lemon juice. You can use lime juice as well, and some fresh mint leaves. So these are all the ingredients. Let's go and make it happen. So first in a blender jug, start adding your watermelon cube. I already took the seeds out of them, and then squeeze the lemon juice in your blender jug and make sure no seeds are going in there. Then add your fresh strawberries and then start blending until you have a smooth juicy mixture of watermelon, strawberries and lime. And the strawberries of watermelon might stuck a little, but don't add any other liquid or water. You will get it through and you have smooth puree juice mixture. Then take a clean bowl, put a sieve on it and strain through a sieve, and transfer all your juice on top of the sieve and push the juice through with the spatula. And if you have any remaining solids, just discard the solid and repeat the same process with the rest of your watermelon and strawberries. And here you can see in the end you have a smooth pureed juice. Then take any pitcher or individual glasses, add some mint leaf in there, and then transfer your juice into your pitcher or your individual glasses. And if you're serving right away, add some crushed ice. I made it like 3-4 hours before the iftar, so I kept it in the fridge, garnish it with some more mint leaves, and just serve chilled and enjoy at your iftar. Strawberries and watermelon, how can you go wrong? One of the wonderful things about hot weather is this cold drink with subtle fruit flavors and beautiful garnishes that scream freshness at iftar table. And if you try this at home, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.